The Mazda CX-50 key fob uses a common CR2032 battery and features a user-friendly design for straightforward battery replacement. To open the fob, locate the Release tab on the back or side. Press this tab to disengage the internal latches. Once released, gently pry the two halves of the case apart. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the positive side orientation. Insert the new battery in the same way, positive side up. Snap the case back together until you hear a click, ensuring it's securely closed. Remember to test the fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle after the replacement. Always work in a well-lit area and avoid static electricity when replacing the battery. A common mistake is using excessive force, which can break the clips holding the case together. Automotive experts rate the CX-50 key fob's ease of service highly, but caution against using metal tools due to the risk of damage. Battery life typically lasts 1 to 2 years, but checking it annually can prevent lockouts. Trends are moving towards integration with smartphone apps for battery monitoring and virtual keys. Future fobs may incorporate wireless charging and biodegradable plastics. By 2024, some CX-50 models feature LED indicators for battery status. Keep an eye out for these advancements to maintain and upgrade your key fob experience. Stay informed about these developments to keep your Mazda CX-50 key fob working optimally.